Assalamu alaikum. I'm in a place called Seha, about 5 minutes away from Masjid Nabwi, and this is Ghar Sajda, and it's a bit of a climb, as you can see from there, down where the cars are. So we came up from there. On that side there, behind the mountains, is on the other side is where Ghazwa Khandak, in other words, the battle of the trenches took place, and the trenches were dug on the other side of that mountain. This place here, down here, which you can't see, inshallah I will take you a bit of footage there in my next clip. But just behind that building there is now a masjid which is being under construction. But at that point it was the house of Hazrat Jabir Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, and Aka Salatu Wasalam were actually residing in that house while the trench was being built. So as I said, this today's car journey took us probably 5-10 minutes, and then so all of this area, these are places which a lot of people don't know about, and so I try my best, to get to these locations which not many people know about, and even a lot of the taxi drivers and people don't know about it. And just this place where I'm climbing up to now, as you can see here, that was a water hole at some point, so the water must have used to seep in from the top, and as you can see, almost see the track of the water, so the water would have run down from here and maybe into there. As you can see, people are walking down now. Now Ghar Sajda, as you can see, one of the right on the top there, if I just zoom in, see there, so that would have been one of the original outposts, where one of the tents during the battle of the trenches, the Ghazwa Khandak, when the preparations were being made for that, and the trench was being dug on the other side of that. There are 7 points across. You can't see them from this side, but from the other side you can see the 7 points at which the various Sahaba's tents were, and then 7 mosques were made there, which you can see from the other side that they're just points now, and then there's a larger mosque on that side. And Aka Salatu Wasalam, in hadith, basically what happened was Aka Salatu Wasalam disappeared. In other words, nobody could find him, and the Sahaba got very worried, and then for 3 days they were looking for Nabi Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and they did not find him. So they were very, very concerned where Nabi Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So they were looking for him everywhere, and then they came across, when they came into this area, they came across a shepherd and described the features of Nabi Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and they said, we are looking for this person. And he said, all I know is I saw somebody going up towards that little space at the top, and I've heard a person there, I've heard a person crying there, and so maybe it's him, go try there. But to cut a long story short, this is eventually where Ghar Sajda, where Aka Salatu Wasalam was eventually found by the Sahaba, and he was up here for 3 days. So this is the information I've gathered from Hadith Mubarak. I've just been reaffirmed by our driver again. I asked him to tell us, because obviously I've read it or heard it somewhere else before, so I just wanted to make sure that he's reaffirming the same details for me, and that's why I'm sharing those on with you. So this is basically Ghar Sajda. So and as I said, I'm going to, next video inshallah, I'll go back to the house of Hazrat Jabir Raziyallahu Ta'ala and tell you a bit of a story about that, or a bit of history about that, and what actually happened there. Okay, Assalamu Alaikum.